Hello everyone, welcome to another exciting episode of Daily Conversation Practice with me. Well guys, in this series I'm going to talk about various daily life situations or experiences which we can talk about with people or to ourselves in English. This will help us in practicing English speaking, and it will also help us to become confident and fluent in speaking English. How we'll become confident and fluent while practicing these daily conversations? It's just that these daily conversations or these situations or these experiences, they all are part of our conversations. When we meet people, we greet people, or we usually talk on these topics, right? So that is why I've thought of coming up with this session so that you can start speaking with me, or else you can shadow with me, you can repeat after me, or you can take my topic and you can come up with your own idea and start speaking, right? The ultimate goal is to speak in English, to practice in English, right? That is the ultimate goal which we have. I'm sure guys this is really going to help you in your English speaking practice. So stay tuned, watch my videos and share, subscribe and like my videos as well. Do write your comments so that I also get to know what you feel about my videos. So let's get started. Hey guys, welcome back. I'm your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. Well, today's topic is very common and it's a personal favorite of all of us. We love festivals. We love preparing for festivals. We love meeting people. We love eating food. We love having conversation. We love having fun. So we do a lot of things during festivals, right? And the festival is a time where we meet a lot of people. We exchange a lot of conversations. We exchange food and a lot of things, right? Fun, activities. So this is the time when we can have real life conversations. So today in this session, I'm going to tell you how to talk about festivals in detail. The first step will be, we'll talk about the preparation for the festival, what we do during festivals, how was our experience, overall experience. So we are going to talk about all these things. If any festival is approaching, we do a lot of preparation for the festival, right? We shop for ourselves, we shop for decoration items, we shop for a lot of food items, we shop for a lot of gifts, we shop for a lot of crockeries and a lot of things, right? So we can talk about it in a structured way. And here it is. During festivals, we all get busy. We all are very excited. We all want to do something new. So we buy new clothes, we go to the shopping complex or we go to the shopping mall. We search for right clothes, good clothes, bright clothes, right? So that we can shine during festivals. So we shop for a lot of goodies for ourselves, a lot of good clothes, a lot of goodies, shop for a lot of gifts. What I usually do is when the festival is approaching, I make a list of items which I have to buy. So I make a list of groceries first, then I make a list of decoration items which I have to buy for my house, for decorating my house. I also plan for buying some crockeries for serving the food, and I also make a list of some ready-made items or something or gifts which I make a list of gifts also which I have to buy so that I can gift them something, right, during festivals. So these things I start planning beforehand, and whenever I get time during weekends, I go and start shopping for it. So once that is complete, so I go and see a lot of things and then I finalize one and I start buying those items, and I try to do it at the earliest because I want to get rid of all these things, because these are very petty things which takes a lot of time. So I try to manage all these things beforehand. So once that is done, then the next step is we have to buy new clothes. Of course, we all are very excited. We see a lot of fashion events and we see what is trending in the market, what dresses are in the market, and we want to buy latest stuffs, right? So for that we have to do a lot of window shopping also, window shopping as well. So 1 or 2 times I go and just check the market, like what all things are there in the market, what kind of stuffs are available in the market, and if I can buy it from there, or if I can see something online which I can get at a reasonable price. So I just compare all these things, and finally we go for shopping. So we do a lot of shopping for our clothes, whatever we want, we do all the shopping. And I prefer it on a weekend because I don't get time on weekdays. So we plan it on weekends and we go and shop for ourselves. And once we come back, we all are very happy and excited, and we just see our clothes and we become very happy, right? We're so happy to see our new clothes, what we are going to wear on the festival day. So it brings a lot of excitement in us. I still feel that excitement when I buy new clothes for my festivals, and my daughter as well. So that is over. So shopping is also over. Now I start planning what I can have for food, right? If I have invited somebody over lunch or dinner, so what will be the menu like? Or if I'm not invited for dinner or lunch, for snacks, basically people come over, right, during evenings or any time of the day. So what snacks I can serve them, what I can prepare. So I make a list of all those things as well. So that menu I decide, and then I see what items I need, and then I buy it, and then I start planning it, like how I can make it. I have a house help, so she helps me a lot with all those things. So I do it beforehand so that everything is sorted, right? You don't get into a hush during the festivals, because festivals are really busy days. People are coming in, you get a lot of calls, you have to attend calls, you have to attend people, and then you have to cook, and then you have to go out to others' place as well. So it's kind of a very busy days. So you have to sort out everything. So I do these things to make my life easier. So this is the way I plan for a festival, when a festival approaches or is approaching. So this is how I plan. In the same way, guys, you can also come up with your plans, like what you do. If you don't have to cook anything, if you don't have to buy any grocery, if you don't have to buy any decoration item, you can simply come up with that, what kind of clothes you want to buy, what kind of firecrackers you want to buy, and what you want to do what do you want to eat during the festivals, where do you want to go. You can plan a lot of things, right? So those things you can come up with, and you can plan about it, talk about it in English. Okay, so the next stage is what we do during festivals. On the day of the festival, we all wake up early. That is the first practice we follow. We have to anyhow wake up early, before time, like 7 o'clock. And we wake up at 7 o'clock. I kind of start preparing for breakfast, and we try to have a light breakfast because, I want to do it faster. The breakfast should be over fast, and so that I can prepare other items, other things for lunch and dinner and the snacks. So I make sure that the breakfast is light, and we all have breakfast, we all have tea, and then we, get dressed, and then people start coming in. We have a lot of conversations, food, and before that we decorate a house. One day before, I decorate my house with my family. We all love that part. We love decorating our house. So one day before, the whole night, during the evenings, we start decorating our house. So we do it one day before. So people start coming in, we eat a lot of good food, we chat, we have conversations, we have laugh. It's all filled with fun, laughter, experiences, and good memories. So we enjoy people coming in, and then in the evening we also plan to visit our relatives and friends. So whoever we can, we go there, we have good food, we have a lot of chat, conversations, fun, laughter, and we play a lot of games also. We organize games also for children and elders also, and we have a lot of fun. So probably what we do is we fix a place, and we get together there, our family especially. So on the day of the festival, we all get together in one place. We all bring food what we have prepared. So we just assemble in one place. We eat, we play, we have conversations, chit chats, fun, laughter, everything. We enjoy the day a lot. We enjoy that event a lot, and we make sure that we make it a memorable experience. And I'm sure we all do. right? Festivals are something which are very special to us and very memorable. We have good experiences, we have good memories about it, right? So guys, try to come up with your experience, try to come up with these kind of things, what you do, what you plan, what all activities you do, whether you decorate your house, you burn firecrackers, or you go and meet your friends, you eat somewhere, or you plan to dine out. Whatever your plans are, just start including all these things. What do you do during the festivals? Okay, so this is what we do during the festivals. You can talk about in English. Coming to the last part is, we can always share our overall experience of the festival, how it was. Okay, so we can say that after the festival is over, we all get tired. Definitely we all get tired because we have to keep moving, right? We meet a lot of people, we meet friends, relatives, we go to somebody's place, eat a lot of food, we enjoy, we don't sleep, or we sleep very late, and we have to wake up early also, and we have a lot of conversations, we have a lot of chit chat with people. So it all makes us very tired the other day. We don't want to wake up, we just want to sleep. The overall experience is quite amazing. That day we don't want to let go of that day. We feel that it should not get over. We enjoy so much and we enjoy spending time with people so much that we don't want it to get over. But of course everything has to get over, right? So, but festivals are fun. It's the best time. We all meet people, we all have conversations, we all exchange our thoughts, and we all exchange food, we all exchange our experiences, right? When we talk to people, we exchange our ideas, we learn a lot of things. So when we meet people, we should be very open. We should make sure that whatever we are talking, we should understand each other's perspective as well. Well guys, I'm sure this session has helped you a lot to speak about your experiences about festivals. So we have a lot of festivals in India. Start taking this opportunity, start taking up those festivals and start speaking about it. We have a lot of festivals, Diwali, Holi, which are very different, right? And then Eid, then Christmas, and a lot of other festivals, right? It's just I have named few. We all have different experiences. We all do different things during these festivals. So we can start speaking about it in English. We have to speak about how you prepare for the festival, what you do on the festival day, and how was your overall experience. That's it. See you in the next session. Bye-bye.